How to set up your email signature in Pegasus Mail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched Pegasus Mail. To set up a signature, first click the Tools tab. Then click Options. Click Signatures here. Then click the Edit Signatures button. Type the signature you want in this box. Then click the Save button. Click the Rename button. Give your signature a name, then click OK. Then click here to automatically add your signature to each message you write. When finished, click OK. That's it! Our signature has been set up. Now when you go to write an email, your signature will automatically be in your message, as shown here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an email signature in Pegasus Mail.